Hey everyone, welcome back to another segment of Tips in Minutes with Training on Wheels. My name is Vinzana Lasaith. I am the president and lead trainer at Training on Wheels, where we provide training and consulting services utilizing Microsoft Office products as well as other technological solutions. We are so excited to have you guys here, and I want to share a little bit about Tips in Minutes in case this is your first time joining us. This is our YouTube channel where we take questions from our viewers, and what we do is we provide a tutorial on such questions. So be sure to stay tuned until the end so that you can submit your question. Today's feature is going to be on Microsoft Word, the word processing software of Microsoft Office Suite. Let's take a look at our question. I utilize the same style often, whether that's font, whether that's size, and I want to know, is there a way to save a style in Microsoft Word? So this question comes from a business owner who is trying to use different formatting techniques to promote consistency. And what they want to do is there a way to save it to increase their efficiency? So answer is yes, absolutely. There is a way not only to create your own style in Microsoft Word, but there is a way to actually save it. So we're going to go ahead and show you how. Let's go. So here I have, guys, in the front of you, a Microsoft Word document. You're going to see that this is my bio, have my name over here, picture, a couple of information. So what we want to do is focus on my name. If this is your bio, you may want your name to stand out, and that's all formatting is. It's the ability to change the appearance of text. So we're going to show you how to create a style, save it to my name. The first thing that you want to do is highlight the text. So I'm going to highlight my name. Then what we want to do is go to the Home tab. Over to the right in the Styles group, you should see a dialog box launcher. It looks like a little box with an arrow pointing toward the right. What that does is give you what we call a styles pane. And this can move around, so if it's in an awkward place, you can move it to where you need it to be. At the bottom left-hand side of the styles pane, you have the New Style button. If you click on it, you'll get what we call the Create New Style from Formatting dialog box. This is where you go to make sure that you complete the properties to get the style that you want. So the first thing I'm going to do is give this a name. I'm just going to call it TOW. And then I have to make a decision. If you notice under Style Type, what Microsoft Word is asking you is, okay, this style that I'm about to apply, where would you like it? Would you like it on an entire paragraph? Would you like it on a character? Would you like it on both? Is this going to be a table? Is this going to be a list? So we just wanted to the specific characters, which is my name. So I'm going to select character. And then I'm going to go to this section here that says formatting, and I'm going to decide on a format. So let's see what we have. In terms of font, we have a couple cool fonts here. One thing that I've liked that they've done is actually show you a live preview. So just in case you don't know what all 6.2 million fonts represent, you can kind of take a look at it there. So I'm just going to choose Cooper Black, and I'm going to increase the font size maybe to about 22, make it bold, and then spruce it up just a little with the color. All right, there we go. And it should also show you a preview of what it is that you're doing. So that gives you the opportunity to modify if necessary. Now, down at the bottom of this dialog box, we have some important information. First, do you want it to be added to the Styles Gallery? That may be very, very helpful, so you won't have to go looking for it. And then secondly, most importantly, I think on this screen, is do you want this to work one time in this particular document, or are you planning to use this in the future? If you are planning to use this in the future, then you would choose New Documents based on this template. So after that, we select OK. Give it a couple of seconds there. Now we have my name in the style that we chose. Well, I want to show you and make sure that it works. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and I'm going to just highlight this last sentence here. All right, to show you where you would go to apply the style. Now, there are several places in Word that you can go, but the easiest way, in my opinion, is to go to the Home tab, over to the right in the Styles group, and there you should see your style. And if you hover over any of the styles, it gives you a live preview. All right. So you can select your style, and there you go. It is applied to whatever is selected. Now, the last thing before we recap our steps, we specified that this works in future templates. So let's go ahead and open up a brand new Word document. File tab, new, blank document. You could have also pressed Control N. Just going to type something here for you. Okay, the name of my company, I'm going to highlight it. And as you can see, even though this is a brand new document, we still have in the Styles group. And if you need to press the More button so that you can see them all, you should have TOW, which is what we created. So there you have it, guys. That is how you not only create a style, but save it for future use. Let's recap. All right. So in order to make sure that you're successful, what you want to do is start by highlighting the text, going to the Home tab, Styles group, Styles dialog box, all right? And then we're going to select the New Style option. Make sure that you complete the New Style properties, all right? This is very important. This is where you go to assign a name. You can also choose whether you want this to be for a character or an entire paragraph. And then ultimately you need to decide, am I going to be using this only in the current document or future documents? Ensure once you're done that your style is now in the Styles group of the Home tab. After that, what you want to do is smile because you just did it. All right, so great job, guys. Now, if you want to submit your question for a chance to be featured on Tips and Minutes with Training on Wheels, we have 3 formats. You can email us at info@trainingonwheels.com, leave us a private message, leave us a comment below, or send us a private message. Thank you guys so very much for tuning into Tips and Minutes, and we'll see you next time.